Hi everyone, I'm Soila Kobadipuya, and in today's tutorial we are going to learn how to handle error message in a sequence of dynamic action. Specifically, I'll show you how to make sure if a dynamic action fails, the subsequent steps are cancelled and no further action are executed. Let's see. We have a form that user should enter their age in a page item, and in the next step, they will see a confirmation of their age. But if a user leave empty the age field or enter zero, we will trigger an error message and prevent them to see the next step. I'll walk you through the steps to implement this, and stay tuned how we control the fellow and improve user experience. Let's start. At first, we need to create a page. I create a blank page, and let me set a name. For example, dynamic action. Yes. Page mode is normal and justice. In our page, we need a page item, for example, age. Then we need a button. And I like to rename my button, and we need to create a dynamic action. I would like to set a name. And here, for example, we have a server-side execute server-side. At first, okay, and we need a error page item. Display error. Display error. Hidden. And we need a page item for display user age. Okay, in our server side, at first I would like to say display error is null. Then if age page is null, or page age p5 age equal 0, then display error will be user cannot leave empty or 0 for their age. Okay, and there. is not all equal. Okay. And then in next step, I would like to execute another server side, and here I would like to display user age. For example, you are contact age, contact years old. I should set this page item for return item and age for items to submit. And here I should return display error and age. We would like to handle if user enter 0 or leave empty. This step prevent to run. Here we can add a create action from JavaScript code and add a code here, type of JavaScript. Let me copy it. I've copied from my archive. Display so this file display error. In this code, we say if display error is not null, cancel event the other subsequent event actions. Sorry. Let's run it. Okay, when I run it, I should handle the display error. If display error is not null, cancel event is an alert. $b display error. When I click on run, user cannot leave empty or 0 for their age, and when I enter this, and then for example this, I forgot to send my page item and display error to server side. Now when you enter a value, you should receive the message, but when enter the 0, you receive this message, and we can leave empty this when we got error. For example, here we can say if it is cancelled, we can $s and P5 display user age, user age, it is not. Okay, and now we enter leave empty. We got error and empty this, and when we add a number, for example 20, we got this message. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like it, to subscribe the channel and share with your friends. I'd be happy if you leave me a comment, and please don't forget to turn on notification so you'll be the first one who receive my new videos that I upload on YouTube. If you need a private class, feel free to contact me anytime. And I hope you've enjoyed this video.